That looks sick. What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, Z and Abs at Zab's Project. Today we got another quick episode, or quick project. RB25 Nissan Skyline R33. It's a GTST Spec 2. Let me give you a little walk around. We did a video for it quite earlier, which has been uploaded quite earlier on. The engine was messed up, so we got it fully rebuilt. Still needs a bit of pipe work to do. Fully rebuilt engine. Front clear cam cover. It's got a hybrid turbo, capable of 500 bhp. Front mount intercooler. Still need to bolt it on though. It needs a full interior, full clean up. Speedo, center console trims. It is a mess at the moment. Headlights need to be put back on, front grille, need some boost gauge, whatnot. Nevertheless, today's episode, as you can see, it's got some holes in the rear arch for some GTR rear arches. It's got a standard GTST spoiler, which is going to be replaced with a GTR spoiler, a genuine one. So that's the GTR spoiler we're going to be putting on it. It's all original GTR spoiler. We've got the GTR rear arches, fiberglass to go on this side. A GTR rear arch again, fiberglass to go on the driver's side. And we've got a GTR front replica bumper. It's been repaired. Once we've done that, it's only going to be a test fit. Once we've done that, we'll sort the interior out, whatnot, get the car running properly, and then we'll give it to a bodywork. spoiler on. It's a perfect fit. It's very nice. We did start drilling holes, put the rivet in. With the drill battery died out, so it's on charge at the moment. So what we actually did, we went to the garage and we got rear bumper. We got some side skirts to complete the kit. We flip them over. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the rear bumper on. We'll test fit these side skirts, see how it looks on the car. At the moment, the spoiler's looking very nice.
As he showed a test fit on the side skirt, we haven't bolted anything.
Have you just put it on there already?
Just put it on, we haven't bolted anything.
Ooh.
Just to show you how it looks.
So these are the JUN side skirts.
Or John.
Now, I don't know, I'm not really a big fan of these ones. Reason being, I like it when it's chunky.
If you show on the other side.
So this one, as you can see, from the bottom it goes in a bit. Whereas on the 40th anniversary GT edition Skyline, we go over here, they're more chunky, so they slant more down rather than going in. They come out a bit. That's what I preferably want. So yeah. So they go in from the bottom. The Z's come out. They're more chunky. Look at that, big difference. Alright, nevertheless, let's put the rear bumper on and see how it looks from the rear with the spoiler, bumper on. Obviously test with the side skirts. Once that's done and the battery's charged, we'll continue to put the rear arches on. That's it. That's the rear bumper on. So it's not aftermarket bumper, it's a standard bumper. We have got GTR race bats for it, which we're going to put on later on. As you can tell, I haven't permanently fixed it on there or bolted it on. We're just testing everything, make sure everything's fine before we send it for bodywork. So this bumper was off one of our previous Skyline R33s. If you look at the other videos, we did a full Z-tune kit to it, like front wings and whatnot. It came off from there. It had a chunk of filler over here, which was crazy. Same with the other side. And we just removed again. Get a better view. Still some filler on there. Get the idea of how much filler was on there before. So that's how it's looking with the side skirt, rear spoiler, rear bumper on. Alright, I think the battery's not charged for the drill at the moment. So I think we're going to call it a day for today, and I think we'll catch you on the next one. Or when I say next one, we'll catch you tomorrow, the next day. And we're continuing this lovely project. What's up guys, it's the next day. So we've got the spoiler on, we've got the rear bumper on, we've managed to drill all the holes, put a couple of rivets in there already. So the next step is we're going to put rivet in the holes, both sides, put the rear arches in, side skirts are already on, as is the bumper. Got a bit late on ours last night. Off camera we just put the side skirts on the front bumper, see how it looks. So next thing is rivets and rear arches. Alright guys, we're all done for today. Body kit's on, rear arch is on, rear spoiler on, side skirt on, got the front bumper mounted to the front grille up, sorry, the front intercooler. Side skirt on the driver's side is on. The rear GTR replica arches, fiberglass again, that's on. GTR spoiler, rear bumpers on. That's all done for today. That's a wrap up for today's video. Next step, full bodywork, respray, fine tune the engine again. Still need to put the interior in. It's a big mess in there. Obviously the rear arches we temporarily put them on, so all the kit's been test fitted, lines up nicely. Once the bodywork's done, it's all fine tuned. Got some nice JR12s on for this car. That's how it's looking at the moment. So stay safe and stay blessed guys. See you in the next one.